So, most online platforms don't allow mortgage payments. Only Venmo and Plastic from the above list offer you the opportunity to pay for your mortgage. The platforms that allow you to use credit cards severely limit the credit cards you can use to pay your bill. So the easiest way to pay your Venmo credit card bill is to make the payment from your Venmo app. Then, navigate to the Venmo credit card section of the Venmo app and click View and Pay. From there, you can pay your bill using the money in your Venmo account or with a verified bank account on file. Be aware that some services or landlords may charge convenience fees for credit card payments. These fees can offset the benefits of using a credit card to pay rent, so it's essential to weigh the costs and benefits. Always confirm with your landlord or property management company, as well as your credit card issuer, about the available payments options and any fees associated with using your American Express card for rent payments. Additionally, make sure you have the financial means to pay off your credit card bill to avoid interest charges.